As wireless connectivity gains traction, there is a growing need to cut the cord and enjoy wireless convenience. As simple as this may sound, ditching the HDMI cables connected to your home or office entertainment system is a little more complicated. This can be a hassle, particularly if you have a projector on the ceiling or a TV on the wall. Given the increased media consumption in recent years and customer demand for greater flexibility, we have rounded up a list of the best wireless HDMI video transmitters. Number 1. GUSSLM Wireless HDMI Transmitter. When you are looking for a daily use accessory like a wireless HDMI transmitter, you would want to go with a highly reliable and trusted by thousands of users. So, we are starting this list with a wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver from GUSSLM. It supports up to 4K resolution video transmission at a 30 Hz refresh rate for transmitting the best image quality and clear HD video with ease, yet the maximum it offers is up to 1080p resolution at a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is great for most gamers. While the HDMI plus VGA dual-port design on this wireless transmitter and receiver support synchronizing the video/image of Mac, PC, gaming console, laptop, phone, and set-top box to the projector, HD TV, or monitor. In addition, this wireless HDMI adapter is quite easy to install, plug and play, without any need for app, Wi-Fi connection, or software drivers. Therefore, you can start using this device within 20 seconds after done with its installation. Speaking about its coverage, it comes with a coverage area of up to 98 feet, which is quite perfect for a living room setup and easy to share between computers and laptops. It is a portable, lightweight, and compact device that connects and shares to watch movies, play games, meetings, mirror mode, teaching, or sports with your loved ones. Number 2. HPDFCU 4K Wireless HDMI Transmitter. While we are covering budget options for a wireless HDMI transmitter, let us talk about a great solution from HPDFCU. Though it is not as popular as most other options in this list, it offers a UHD image quality, which is required for many users. The second place on our list of the best wireless HDMI transmitter is taken by the HPDFCU wireless transmitter and receiver. It is one of the high-end options that offer a dual HDMI plus VGA port design that will synchronize to make the video/image of a laptop, Mac, PC, gaming console, set-top box to the projector, HD TV, or monitor. Another great feature is its low latency mode, nearly 0.1 seconds, with a maximum coverage area of up to 98 feet/30 m, which is great for a wireless connection to transmit HD video and digital audio easily, especially for gaming purposes. It supports both UHD 4K at 30 Hz and 1080p FHD resolution, only for a gaming console and Blu-ray. In addition, it is equipped with a dual antenna supporting 2, 4G and 5G stable, smooth, and quick signal transmission frequencies. Furthermore, it is compatible with Windows, Chrome, Mac OS, Android, and iOS, making it widely suitable for home, office, or education applications. The manufacturer offers a 1-year-long warranty and after-sales service on this product. Number 3. Nyrius Aries Prime Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. 3D movies use up a lot more data and bandwidth than the standard full HD videos, so if you want to enjoy your 3D content wirelessly, the Nyrius Aries Prime is an option to consider. Nyrius specifically designed it for that application and more. This plug-and-play device can transmit uncompressed 1080p video with zero latency. That means you can see the content you play on it in real time. This makes it suitable for use with computers and even gaming. It also has a maximum line-of-sight range of 30 feet. Making it ideal for most living rooms. Using a high-performance digital signal, it can send wireless video signals between rooms, too. Although at a reduced range, the receiver has a small form factor making it fit naturally in your entertainment room. The transmitter is also portable and plugs directly into any HDMI port. This lets you use it with just about any device. Key features: maximum line-of-sight range of 30 feet, streams uncompressed HD audio and video, zero latency for real-time streaming, won't interfere with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Number 4. Actiontec MUTFKit 01 Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. If the coverage area is a concerning factor for you, then pay close attention to a couple of options present onwards on this list. The following option from ScreenBeam also offers a wide coverage area within a compact form factor. If you are going all the way towards the most simplistic setup you can design, You should go with the ScreenBeam My Wireless TV2 Wireless HD Transmitter. Unlike most other options on this list, the ScreenBeam My Wireless TV2 Wireless HD Transmitter features a compact design with no external antennas. This transmitter is capable of offering wireless signals up to 150 feet distance at 1080p resolution. The ScreenBeam My Wireless TV2 Wireless HD Transmitter also supports 5.1 surround sound transmission so that you get a high audio quality along with video quality, and since the device works on its own network, you won't need an active internet connection, or even a local Wi-Fi connection at all to use the ScreenBeam My Wireless TV2 Wireless HD Transmitter. Also, the My Wireless TV2 receiver has universal support for remotes, allowing you to use your existing remote with the device. Number 5. Jdtech Digital 1x2 Wireless HDMI Extender. You need a more powerful HDMI transmitter to watch high-definition content if you have a large and sprawling home. The Jdtech 1x2 wireless extender will give you that with its outstanding 200-foot range. It's so powerful that its range isn't affected by interior fittings, drywall, and furniture. These wireless HDMI transmitters can connect to 2 displays, one locally and one remotely. This makes it perfect for sharing or monitoring content. And because you can customize the wireless settings of these devices, you can run up to 4 sets simultaneously. You don't need to worry about interference at all. However, because of its power, this extender's external case isn't stylish. In fact, they're designed to be mounted on walls for a permanent installation. This is the perfect wireless transmitter for those who have a fixed entertainment and television system. Pros: transmits full HD video up to 60 Hz, built-in HDMI pass-through on transmitter. One transmitter can connect to 2 receivers simultaneously. Customizable 5 GHz frequency range avoids interference. Cons: unstylish and square design.